In this video, we will introduce the prep for Certified Implementation Specialist, Data Foundations, CMDB and CSDM, CIS-DF exam. Introduction of Certified Implementation Specialist, Data Foundations, CMDB and CSDM, exam. Exam structure and format. Exam objectives breakdown. Benefits of CIS-DF certification. Effective preparation strategies. 1. A CMDB administrator is implementing vulnerability response or security incident response and needs to ensure customers have enough context to estimate risk and set task priorities. Which Get Well playbook from the CSDM Data Foundations dashboard helps with this. A. Locations without a parent location. B. Application services with business application relationships. C. Named product models without product owners. D. Percentage of custom status values for C life cycle stages. 2. A customer's CMDB is aligned to the CSDM walk stage. What benefit is provided by the CMDB? A. Allows for additional stratification of technical teams' support structure along the lines of OLAS and commitments. B. Improves the implementation velocity of APM Foundation for future business application rationalization. C. Enables impact assessments for incident, problem, and change on business services. 3. A CMDB administrator needs to import external data into the CMDB. To reduce the risk of creating duplicates and prevent updates from unauthorized sources, it must be ensured that the Identification and Reconciliation Engine, IR, is not bypassed. What is the recommended method to import data into the CMDB utilizing the Identification and Reconciliation API? A. Integration Hub ETL. B. Table API, REST API or SOAP API. C. Import sets and transform maps. 4. Which is a purpose or requirement of CMDB Data Manager in ServiceNow? A. Encrypts archived records for enhanced security. B. Automates the enforcement of relationship rules between CIS in the CMDB. C. Automates the archival and deletion of records based on retention policies. 5. The CMDB Administrator Group aims to display meaningful results on the CMDB Health Dashboard, compliance scorecard for server records that are not on the latest patch. What must be configured to achieve this goal? A. Certification filter, certification template, audit. B. Technical service offerings, dynamic C groups, CMDB groups. C. Stale, orphan, duplicate. D. Certification policies, data filters, scheduled jobs. 6. The Configuration Manager is preparing justification to utilize the CMDB Data Foundations dashboard. Which benefits align with the usage of this dashboard? Choose two options. A. It automates approval processes for change management. B. It provides actionable insights to improve data quality and completeness. C. It helps detect and eliminate duplicate records in the CMDB. D. It enables monitoring and tracking of CMDB health over time. 7. A CMDB administrator has installed a Service Graph connector and customized a script transform. What will happen on subsequent upgrades if the default definition of the script transform is updated? A. The upgrade stops and reports an error. B. A skipped change is created and no change is made to the script transform definition. C. The Service Graph connector upgrade refuses to start. 8. A CMDB administrator is evaluating whether to monitor the metrics provided on the CMDB Data Foundation's dashboard. Choose two options. Which benefits support the decision to continually monitor the results on this dashboard? A. Provides a list of all CIs that failed health audits. B. Provides metrics on active CIS updated in the last 90 days. C. Provides metrics for CIS processed by the Identification and Reconciliation Engine, IR. D. Reports on all orphan CIS in the CMDB. 9. A CMDB data manager needs to access the ServiceNow platform to create, publish, and manage policies that automate and govern C lifecycle operations, ensuring the CMDB remains healthy and efficient. Where can the data manager do this? A. CMDB Workspace, CMDB 360 tab. B. Service Operations Workspace, C Class Manager, D. CMDB Workspace, Management tab. 10. A change manager wants to gain value from CSDM. How will the change management process benefit from CSDM? Choose two options. A. Identify blackout windows. B. Determine the root cause of the change issue. C. Route the change dynamically. D. Understand the impact of the change on services. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.